I have been motivated by my mother eating a romaine lettuce salad every day for lunch, yet still worrying she is going to get sick by looking at someone. Why would someone eat a food that is literally grown in human waste, but be afraid of someone breathing on them through two masks from 6 feet away? It's funny because you'll see those same people rinse vegetables under cold running tap water for 30 seconds and pretend as if they washed anything bad off. Not only is that doing absolutely nothing if there was any pathogenic bacteria, you're also likely washing your produce with water that is laden with agrochemicals and estrogenic endocrine inhibitors, not to mention fluoride and chlorine. Think about this.